Hello everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Naidu. I'm a SAS trainer and programmer. In this video, I'm going to explain SAS Certified Specialist Practice question number 15. I covered a few videos. I'm attaching it here in a cards and I'm putting some useful links in the description below this video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click a like if you really like this video. And if you have any questions or comments, and please write it in the comment section. So without any further delay, let's get started. In this question number 15, write the program as following. So first of all, we need to create a data set as a temp. So that is your temp data set. We need to create it, and that data set we need to take that input as a sashelp.hot. So what I want it from the sashelp.hot, where the death cause variable value is cancer or coronary heart disease only, we want to take it. So basically you are trying to create a new dataset name with the name of temp, and that you are copying it from the sashelp.hot. Death cause is a variable. In that you are filtering the data either cancer or maybe coronary heart disease, either of that values. If you have both values, then you will filter it. If you have only cancer, you will filter only cancer. You need to write the program accordingly to filter either of the values. So then what you need to do, you need to sort that particular temp data set. So how you need to sort it? First variable is based on the sex in a ascending order, and then followed by the age at start variable in a descending order, and then smoking is in ascending order. We need to sort it. Then run the following question. So once we run this particular program, the following question we need to answer. What is the value of height observation number 50 in a temp data set? I hope guys it's a easy one. I think if you already are preparing for the certification questions, so it won't take much time of yours. You can also do with me and take a pause of this video and try to do it yourself at your using your software. So let me just do that. For that, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to open my SAS Studio here. According to the question, I'll go for creating a new data set. So in this case, I'll go for a new data set. I'll directly write it as a here. I'll go for proc. It's a procedure. Then I'm writing it sort a data equal to. You are copying the original data set, that is your SAS help library. I'm just taking it here from hot data set. I'm just writing it HEART. Okay, I'm creating a new data set by using out option. Then I'm creating my new data set name as a temp. Then I'm writing it a condition where what I want in, I need a death cause. So first of all, the variable I'm writing it DEATH CAUSE death cause equal to. So instead of equal to, I will write it in, so that now I can select multiple options. One is either cancer. I'm writing it. So make sure this value should be in a quotations because it's in a character value. So I even C also capsulate up according to the question. So CA cancer, and I can select another thing also. Either I can keep the comma here or without comma also it will work. For good programming practice, always keep the comma. So the second value is something they written called here coronary heart disease. So instead of I just taking a risk of typing the spelling, what I'll do is I'll just copy paste it, so that no I will get it as it is according to the question, so that no I no need to double check my program again, is it the data is filtered or not. So according to my question, one is cancer and second one is coronary heart disease. I'm just filtering it. Then by variable we need to do it. So first is ascending based on the sex. I can directly write a sex variable here. So you don't need to write for ascending. Only when you want to write a descending order, then only you need to write it ascending, default ascending. I'm writing it descending. Which variable you want to write it on a descending order according to this? First one is sex is in ascending, age at start in a descending order. So I'm just writing it, the descending order, I'm writing it here. And then followed by a smoking variable again in ascending order. So I am writing it, smoking variable directly and semicolon and run. I think let me just try to get all those things ready. So I think I'm taking a data from the sashelf.heart dataset. I'm creating a new dataset as a temp where death cause in equal to cancer and coronary diseases only I want it. Either you can write it in this way or else I can write it another way also without writing it. You can write the same condition where okay. So instead of using in, you can write it where death cause equal to okay, you can directly write it death cause equal to cancer. Okay, this is another way of writing death cause equal to cancer, or okay, then you can write it death cause equal to you can directly type coronary heart disease here also. That's up to you. It's a, I'm just writing in two ways the same code. Either you can go for the ways where condition of this one, or maybe you can go for this one. So that's up to you. So for the time being, I'm just commenting this particular line. I commented by using control with question mark, so that now this is the way of commenting it, because this particular line I don't want it. I'll try to go with this one. So that's up to you guys. So either you can use in also, you can use r also, both also same to filter the multiple things on the same variable. So let me just run it. I'm just executing it, the output. I think we got it. Check is there any errors. Seems no errors. And in your data set around 1144 observations in the total data we have it right now. So according to my question, I just did it. So now what is the question they're asking? What is the value for height observation number 50 in a temp data set? So what is the value for height? So instead of keeping all the variable, so I'll directly keep here here itself, so that no, I have a lot of variables in the data, so I can simply write it keep equal to, so I'm just writing it here, only height is required. I can write it so that no, it's easy. Instead of looking into all the variables what is there, I think we just only one variable you are keeping it. Go there and open your data set in your libraries location. Go to your my library and work library. You can see the temp data set is just got created, and there you can see that we have an observation. So observation number 50. So according to me, it's in a 60.75 is the answer. So the right answer for this particular question is going to be as a 60.75 is the answer we need to give it, right? So this is an answer we just done. So this is all about for question number 15. So thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. If you really like this video, please click on the like, and if you are new to this channel, please be subscribed, so that I'm going to attach more upcoming videos. I'm attaching all the playlist here in the description, and guys, try to see all the useful links. Right now I'm not able to keep some of the links, but in a within a 1 or 2 weeks I'll keep everything, all the practice questions and as well as quizzes, everything. I'm just trying to redirect to my great online training website, and there you can able to do a practice of everything. So you can just watch the video and you can try to answer the question immediately. You can answer there itself, or else you want to watch my explanation also, you can do that. So there are certain things actually no one has done in the internet as of now. I'm trying to bring that information, and it is a really I'm just hoping to bring that in the next couple of weeks itself. So just allow me some time. So meanwhile you just do it individual questions, but definitely I will bring some quiz for your practice. That's it guys, that's all about for today, and thank you.